Welcome to BloxWorld TV. It's a stupid funny show. Sorry we can't call the plumber or the McDonald's delivery man. I can't take it anymore. Hey there, 3. It seems you got a TV to watch. Which channel are you watching?
Narrator, it's okay. I can call the engineer.
Oh, I'm late for work. But my TV's broken. I'll just leave a little note here. What's this? Please call the engineer from 3. Sure, I can help it. Let's see. Oh no, I forgot. 6, 7, 5, 4, 2. Oh no, I accidentally called the pizza delivery man instead of the engineer. Here's your pizza delivery.